Hi there, Sarah. It is very crowded here at the protest. I want to bring you this way. There are about 300 people here, protesters. Let's look at the long line of signs here that people are carrying. Basically, their biggest complaints are they want higher wages, they want benefits. The majority of these workers are part-time workers. They're using the driving as supplemental income. Along with all the protesters that are out here, we're also seeing a long caravan of Uber drivers. If you come out this way, there's a long procession here of drivers that have been honking their horns. You can see they're lined up this way in support of the message. Of course, this is probably the biggest protest we've seen so far all day, but they're going on in cities all over the U.S., including Los Angeles, New York, London, Chicago, Atlanta, and the message is the same. They want higher wages as well as benefits. They also have Uber drivers and Lyft drivers actually have threatened to shut down the app. Now, what we're noticing in various cities is we haven't seen reports of that app shut down. In fact, an Uber spokesperson says that in New York City, seemed like only about a decline of 500 drivers or so, which makes it uncertain whether it's an anomaly or a part of the work stoppage. But again, you can see a very vigorous protest here in front of Uber headquarters in San Francisco, the largest protest we've seen so far, about 300 workers. And Uber, for its part, has given us a statement saying that drivers are at the heart of our service and that we can't succeed without them. We'll continue working to improve drivers' experience for and with them every day. And as you know, as part of the company's IPO, Uber is offering incentives for certain drivers. Basically, there's about a quarter or 1.1 million of global Uber drivers will be eligible for a one-time driver appreciation reward ranging from $100 to $40,000 depending on how many trips they've completed. U.S. drivers will have the option to buy up to $10,000 worth of stock with that money. I can tell you that in talking to people out there, they say it's still not enough. They say it's been a struggle driving for the company. They don't feel appreciated. And in a lot of other cities, we're not seeing as high numbers as expected. When I asked drivers about that, they say they're just going to keep on pushing on with their message. You can see it's getting louder here as people are going to start speaking.